Hello and welcome to another video tutorial from Visual Magic. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create this wild abstract background with the lighting effect that gives it that highlighted effect. You can use practically any brush. There are a lot of Photoshop brushes all over the internet which you can download, as well as the brushes that I'm using. You can download them off my blog under free stuff, graphic files, free stuff. Okay, I'm going to get started. I'm just going to close this one, and I've already created a black background, 1280 by 720. You can make it any size you want, doesn't matter. And I've created a new layer on top of that. Okay, I'm going to choose my brush, go here, select a brush. It'll be three different brushes in the package, so you can choose any one you want. I'll choose that one. And I'm just going to randomly make any old design. Just randomly, anything like that. That's good. Or I am going to duplicate that layer. There we go. Normally you can hit Control J, or but for the video, so you can see what I'm doing, I'm just going to do everything visually. If you're using a PC, of course, I think it might be Option J if you're using a Mac. Okay, that should be it. Now what I'm going to do is the second layer, I'm going to put a filter on it. Blur, Gaussian blur of about 4-ish, yeah, not more than that. You can type in 4. I can just... Okay, let's give the second layer a Gaussian blur. I'm going to create another new layer. On this layer I'm going to put the color that I want to use. So just go to here and pick anything. A red. I might use a really bright red. Yeah, hit OK. Grab a new brush, just a regular soft brush. So hardness is 0, and make it about 300 in size. And just gently put it on like that. Something, anything, just brush it on. Whatever color you want. And then I might grab another color just for make things a little more interesting. Make it a yellowish or very bright yellow. Make it a little brighter. Yeah, that's good. And we'll just brush that on. Something like that. Something like that. Anyway, just it's a two-tone. Okay. And once I have that, I'm just going to go to this layer and apply color. So there we go. And then from there on, what I'm going to do is create another layer, and I'm going to apply a filter to it. Actually, before I'm going to do that, I'm going to hit D. D will make the default colors come back here, black and white. And then I'm going to hit the filter and render clouds there. And I put another filter, and I'm going to put a Gaussian blur on that. Gaussian blur of 4. Yeah, that'll be just perfect. I'll leave it on 4. And then this last layer, I'm going to put a vivid light. A vivid light. Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, that's about it. Yeah, that'll do. In case you want to make things a little bit brighter, you can get a brush, a smaller brush, maybe size 50, make sure you're painting in white, and just brush on like certain areas if you want to brush up certain to make them a little bit brighter, some areas. Yeah, that you can add a little bit if you want to make it a little brighter. See, you can just. Anyway, that's it. That's the end of the tutorial, and hope you had fun. And of course, you can make all kinds of different variations. Use different brushes, different colors, and more than 2 colors. You can put 5 colors, 10, whatever, as many you want, just to give it a bit of variations. And that's about it. And you can pick up the brushes on the visualmagic.com. Thanks. Bye.